Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's video, we will show you how to clear location history in Windows 11. Microsoft operates a location service that helps determine the precise geographic location of your Windows device. The precise location of your device allows apps to give you directions, show shops and restaurants that are near you, and more. Many apps and services request location information from your device, and the Windows Location Service gives you control over which apps are allowed to access your precise location. Click on a Windows icon on the taskbar. The menu will pop up. Click on Settings. Select Privacy and Security. Go to Location. Look for Location Services. Turn the switch off next to it. Scroll down and look for Location History. Click on Clear. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!